guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be carving pumpkins today with my nieces.
Hi, my name is Rana.
Hey, what's your name? Tell them your name.
Yeah.
Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, what kind of pumpkins are we carving today? Which design are we going to do?
What you had, yeah? I can make a happy face.
I like this one, look, or this one.
That's how hard to cut, dude.
Why?
That's hard. No, there's tattoos.
Oh, why don't you do this one? Little bat.
No, there's tattoos. Look, there's tattoos. Yeah, there's tattoos. And then, like, you put in the pumpkin. Like, these are tattoos.
Which one do you want? هادية كده مش هاخدك مخي.
Those are tattoos. You need to cut that and
See, you gotta put this one over there.
yeah, but you need to copy it.
Look, look, look.
I want a bat.
A bat?
Yeah.
Here.
That won't fit, so let me draw it.
And then what kind of pumpkin do you have?
Happy face.
A happy face? Doesn't look happy to me.
I'm finished with my pumpkin.
Wow, your pumpkin looks so cool. Wow. Where's the other side of his mouth?
It's gone.
Hi! Your cousins are here! Your cousins are here! They're carving pumpkins!
Whoa!
You did so good on that. Oh my god. Alright, we're taking a quick little break. What are you having?
Rice with teriyaki sauce, chicken, and chicken.
You're having the same thing?
Yeah.
You like it? Which one's your favorite, Hadia?
I like the last and this one.
That's it? You don't like mine? Nobody likes mine?
I like this one and this one.
Aww, thanks, Rena.
I like this one because this. Oops.
Do you have a name for your little bat? Do you have a name for your bat?
Nope.
Do you want to give it a name?
Yeah.
What, Hadia?
I will call her Bat.
Alright, I finished pumpkins. I actually carved that one. It looks a little crazy. Now I gotta carve Armand's pumpkin. Which one is you guys' favorite?